Mastering English phrases. Unraveling the meaning of pair the mouse. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, pair the mouse. This might sound a bit puzzling at first, but don't worry, we'll explore its meaning and usage together. Let's get started. Pair the mouse is not a common idiomatic expression in English. However, it can be understood in two distinct contexts: technological and literal. In this section, we'll explore both meanings. Technological context. In the tech world, pair the mouse often refers to connecting a wireless mouse to a computer. This process, known as pairing, involves establishing a communication link between the mouse and the computer, usually via Bluetooth or a wireless receiver. Literal context. Literally, pair the mouse could mean to put two mice together. This interpretation is less common and might be used humorously or in specific contexts like biology or pet care. Let's see how pair the mouse can be used in different sentences to understand its application better. Technological usage. I just bought a new wireless mouse, and now I need to pair the mouse with my laptop. If your cursor isn't moving, check if you need to pair the mouse again. Literal usage. For our science experiment, we need to pair the mouse with a mate. In pet care, it's important not to pair the mouse with an aggressive partner. When using this phrase, especially in a technological context, make sure you're clear about its meaning. Avoid confusion with similar-sounding phrases like pair the mouse, which would mean to trim or reduce it, or peer at the mouse, which means to look closely at it. And that's a wrap on pair the mouse. Whether you're talking about technology or mice, now you know how to use this phrase correctly. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be an English pro in no time. See you in the next lesson.